dbrand is best known for snarky snapbacks and flashy phone skins, but the grip case for the Pixel 8a is seriously worth considering. It combines the company's years of experience in customizable skins with a high-quality case that you'd be hard-pressed to drop if you tried to. This is a premium case which is clear from the get-go. It ships in a beautiful box that's probably overkill for a phone case, with any skins you've ordered on the right side. In case you forgot who you're dealing with, this box includes a tastefully printed invitation to shitpost with the brand on various social media platforms. dbrand markets this as a thin case, but I found it pretty robust in hand. It doesn't feel overly thick, but it doesn't feel thin either. The case is very rigid, which makes it feel like it's built to take a beating. However, this makes it slightly difficult to install on your Pixel 8a. The chamfered lip around the screen holds it firmly in place, so I was never worried about it slipping off. That lip is taller in the corners to protect the screen and lower in the middle to make swipe gestures easier to do. The back of the case is smooth so the skin will stick, but the sides are covered in microscopic ridges that add a ton of grip. It's hard to get these on camera, but the texture is very rough and feels almost like sandpaper. I found the buttons to be just a bit too stiff, but they do have a nice click to them and they're very easy to find without looking. But really, this dbrand case is all about the skin. The back is perfectly flat with a small ridge along the edges to help line up your skin during installation. The process is fairly simple, but I do recommend watching the tutorial linked in the box to make sure you get it right. The last thing you want to do is ruin your skin, leaving you with an expensive blank canvas. Pixel 8a skins for this case include 3 parts. One for the top, one for the bottom, and one for the camera bar itself. I was on the fence about installing the skin on the camera bar since it will still be there when you take the case off. Most skins will clash with the muted tones of the Pixel 8a, so you might want to skip installing that part. Still, it's nice to have the option. dbrand offers nearly 50 design options for the skin, from simple matte colors to this funky new hydro dip range that I tested for this review. They're high quality, matte stickers that look and feel excellent. The nice thing about this case is that if you get tired of the skin, you can always peel it off and install another one to get a fresh new look. You won't have to buy another case, but the skins themselves are expensive. They run $10 for basic colors and patterns and $20 for more intricate patterns like the ones you see here. Remember, that's just for the stickers. You can get an entirely new case for that price from other brands, so you are paying a premium here. The grip case ships with one skin of your choice, but the price difference is felt there too, with premium skins increasing the overall price. In other words, you're paying $30 for the case plus either $10 or $20 for a skin. Even so, the premium build and long-term value of being able to swap out the skins make this a great case for the Google Pixel 8a. It's thinner and more stylish than rugged cases, but has more protection and grip than standard thin cases. You can only buy it on the official dbrand website, so learn more at the link in the description below.